Good morning, students. Today we'll study the 9th chapter of your EVS book. The title of the chapter is Changing Families. In this chapter, we will study about the different changes that are caused in the family due to different reasons and what are their effects on the family members. Here are some pictures of families. These are families of Nimmi, Sering and Nazli. Let us look at these pictures, talk about what we see and discuss. New arrival. There is a great excitement in Nimmi's family. She has got a new baby sister. This plus sign, this is sign of the hospital, and they are waiting for their baby to arrive, for the baby sister to arrive. And this is the small sister born to her mother. In this picture, they are coming back to their home and they are very excited with the new arrival of the new family member. Nimmi is also very excited to see her little baby sister. There are some questions. Who were the members of Nimmi's family before the arrival of her baby sister? Before the arrival of her baby sister, Nimmi, her mother, father, uncle and grandmother were there in the family. They were 5 of them. How many members are there in Nimmi's family now? After the arrival of Nimmi's baby sister, there are 6 of them. How do you think the lives of Nimmi's family members have changed after the arrival of the new baby? For example, how will Nimmi spend her day now? So we can write answer this way. She will spend her day playing with her newborn baby. What new work will her mother do now? We can write answer. The mother will now spend her day by looking after the baby. Now let's come to Sering's family. Sering, beta aage T dekh lo, T is silent. So we will say Sering only. Sering's father received a letter from his office. The letter said that he has been promoted and would have to move to another city. Promoted means when you get a higher position in your job, you get promoted. And then you always have to move to a new place mostly. These are the pictures of Sering's family. And he got a letter. Now he is showing the letter to all his family members and all are very happy because he got promoted also. Now these pictures, they are showing the changes in their family after the promotion. You see her mother and they are all doing packing. And in this picture they have reached the railway station and they are now moving to the new place. Now the question is, what will change in Sering's family after his father's transfer? For example, who from Sering's family will live with his father at the new place? Which school will Sering go to now? Will he have new friends? So we can write answer this way. The Sering and his mother will live with his father. Sering will join a new school at the new place. Here is one more question. Has anybody in your family moved to a new place because of the work? And what do you feel about this change? You will write these answers according to your own experience. Now let's come to Nazli's family. There is a great joy in Nazli's home today. Her elder cousin brother is getting married. You see, this is the bride and Nazli is very happy. All are very happy in the family. They are welcoming the new bride and groom also. See, Nazli is enjoying sweets. Now question is, do you think that there will be any change in the Nazli's family after this wedding? What will change? So after the wedding, a new member will have joined Nazli's family. She is now part of the family too. Next question. Do you think there will be changes in the home from where the new bride has come? What kind of changes? जहाँ से वो लड़की शादी करके आई है उस घर में भी कोई चेंजेस होंगी, ये हमें बताना है बेटा. Their daughter will not be living with them anymore. They will miss her. लड़कियां शादी के बाद जनरली ससुराल में चली जाती हैं, तो पेरेंट्स उसके जो लड़की के हैं वो उसको मिस करेंगे. We saw changes taking place in the families of Nimmi, Sering and Nazlis because of the different reasons. Write down the reason for these changes. So let us first of all talk about in Nimmi's family. Change in the Nimmi family was due to the reason for the change was the birth of a new baby into their family. In Sering's family, the reason was for change was his father's promotion as they were transferred to a new city. In Nazli's family, the reason for change was her cousin's marriage because a new member joined her family. There is a very important question in your book. Have you heard of a law that talks about the ages before which girls and boys must get married? Yes, I have heard of this law. This law states that boys cannot get married before the age of 21 and girls cannot get married before the age of 18. There are many girls who get married before they are 18-year-old. Many of them have to even leave the school. So there are many true stories of girls like Sushila of Rangareddy district who are going back to school. She also got the help of the Panchayat. Panchayat said the young children should play and study and not to be married, not be married off. A group of people of Andhra Pradesh hold the special camp to help married girls to go back to school. Jangamma and Chitti say we would like to study and stand on our own feet. Panchayat means a group of people who are forming the administrative rules in a village. This is a scene of the working of a village panchayat. They ensure that every child should study and should not get married before the girls should not get married before the age of 18 and boys before the age of 21. Student, this was all about this lesson. I have one question for you and do it. Make your family chart and write names of all the members of your extended family also. Thanks. Stay safe, beta.